You're on the countdown there, old man. You got 8 minutes and you got to shut her down.
Yep, one more minute. One more minute? Yeah, it's 8:59. I got 8:58.
I got 8:57 on the cell phone. We give you 3 minutes.
I got 8:57 right on my telephone.
That's what mine says. And they set it for you, right?
Yeah, rooster clock thing. Double with you, Sawdust, would you say? I said, what does your rooster clock say? 8:59. Roger, you got one more minute. Hey, Sawdust? Yeah. You know what the difference is between a sailor and a rooster? No. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. A sailor says any cock-will-do. I'm gone. He did that right at the right time. Yes, he did.
Good night, old man. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Bye. We're good. Night, old man. Cock-will-do.
That couldn't have had any better timing right there.
That was real good timing.
Yeah, it's too bad somebody wasn't watergating that. But they were. I got it right there. Yep. So Redneck Mike, and you heard it first here on the old Cobra 2000 on 26955 frequency. It's a lower side, not sideband, but it's a lower channel, and you see the number right there. This is your power slide to 10. This one here is your echo. There's a keyboard you can lock down, your meter. Shows that your modulation. And there's modulation there again on the right hand side. Left hand side receive. But when you power it up like this, they'll both flip over in the red because you got that little kicker here lined up on that big 12 watt.